Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I would like to take a typical algebraic question useful for both Maths Olympiad and IIT JEE examination. This is an inequality from which we can solve this algebraic equation, Schwarz inequality. That the given question is, if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 25, what will be the range of the value of ab plus bc plus ca? This is what is to be solved. Now, we try to solve this problem. The given question is, in the question what is given? It is given that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 25. We have to find out AB plus BC plus CA range. In which range this value oscillates. That's what we have to find out. Now, let us go for the solution, step by step. How a square plus b square plus c square can be written? A plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Do you agree? But a square plus b square plus c square value is given. Can I write 25 is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, which implies, take this on the left hand side, 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 25, which implies AB plus BC plus CA, that is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 25 whole divided by 2. That means AB plus BC plus CA is equal to a plus b plus c whole square by 2 minus 25 by 2. Here, a plus b plus c whole square, we have to find out. A plus b plus c whole square behavior to be assessed here. To find the range of this equation, behavior to be assessed. A plus b plus c whole square, if we take only the real numbers, then a plus b plus c whole square will always be greater than 0. Either is equal to 0 or greater than 0. That means a plus, for all real numbers, a plus b plus c whole square should be positive. Hence, the range of a plus b plus c whole square, the minimum value of a plus b plus c whole square, minimum value is equal to 0, because it should be greater than 0 or equal to 0. When you put this value in this equation, what happens? AB plus BC plus CA, that minimum value should be equal to 0 square by 2 minus 25 by 2. 0 minus 12.5. That means minus 25 by 2 or minus 12.5. The minimum value of a plus b plus c plus ca, a plus ab plus bc plus ca, ab plus bc plus ca, because here we have to find out the range. We have to find out the minimum value and maximum value. Minimum value is minus 25 by 2 from the above logic. And what can be the maximum value? From the inequality, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, we have one inequality that is always correct. A square plus b square plus c square is always greater than or equal to ab plus bc plus ca. What is a square plus b square plus c square? This is 25. Is always greater than ab plus bc plus ca. How we have arrived at this inequality? When I take up the full classes of algebra, I will explain you. For the time being, we are applying this. Because I am continuing with the number theory, I thought let me give a video lecture on a taste of the algebra. Now, when I start the algebra main course, at that time I will talk about the inequalities. At that time I will definitely derive this particular equation, how it comes, how it came. But for the time being, you remember that a square plus b square plus c square is always greater than ab plus bc plus ca. Here a square plus b square plus c square is given. 25 is always greater than ab plus bc plus ca. That implies when you bring in the inequality right hand to left hand side and right hand things to left hand side and left hand things to right hand side, the inequality changes. That implies AB plus BC plus CA is less than or equal to 25. Which implies something is less than some value, means that is the maximum value the left hand side can achieve. This implies AB plus AB plus BC plus CA, maximum value is equal to 25. Maximum value I am talking about. Then I have removed the inequality, less than or equal to, I have made it as equal to, that is the maximum value. We have got the minimum value, we have got the maximum value. Then the range minus 12.5 is less than or equal to AB plus BC plus CA which is less than or equal to 25. This is the answer. It can also be written as minus 25 by 2 less than or equal to AB plus BC plus CA less than or equal to 25. Now, range of AB plus BC plus CA is, it is in the closed interval minus 25.2. What is the closed interval? What is the open interval? These things also I will explain you when I take up the functions and algebra. This is the range. Now, if I say, as a homework I want to give you, if I say a square plus b square plus c square is equal to some p, then can you find the range of AB plus BC plus CA in terms of p? And is your value, when you put p is equal to 25, is it going to be the same answer which you are going to get? Cross check your answer and you do it as a homework. Ultimately, we can say whether we want to see in the homework whether minus p by 2 less than or equal to AB plus BC plus CA less than or equal to p if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to p. This is what we wanted to check. Please cross check it, do the homework. With this, I want to conclude this small lecture on algebra. It's an introductory lecture for you in algebra. I will be continuing with number theory for some more lectures. Then next chapter will be algebra and functions. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you for seeing my lecture. And this lecture will be useful, very useful in long run for your engineering and scientist careers, and also it will be useful for Maths Olympiad examination, IMO, RMO, IOQM, IMO, RMO, IOQM and all other competitive examinations across the globe. Along with that, JEE and other higher mathematics exams, and for the aspirants also. If there is a value addition to your knowledge with this lecture, kindly share my lectures and channel details, and also subscribe to my channel. Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck to everybody.